Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter number 5 inside the atom. In this session you will learn electronic configuration of an element and its valency electronic configuration. Yes, we already discussed about the shells and its maximum capacity. So let's recall. The maximum number of electrons present in the shells are K have a 2, L, 8, M, 18 and N 32. The electrons in an atom are distributed in the shells according to their maximum capacity. So, the shell-wise distribution of the electron in an atom of an element is called the electronic configuration of that element. Okay? In the atom, each shell has definite energy. So, the electron has a definite energy as per the shell in which it is present. Okay? Energy of an electron in the first shell is the lowest. Energy of electron in the subsequent shells goes on decreasing with the ordinal number of the cells. In the atom, electrons present in the K shell, that is the first shell, having the lowest energy. Yes, as we increases the ordinal number, that is the shell, that time the electrons present in particular shell, the energy goes on increasing. Okay. Now we are going to see the first 20 elements with their symbol is atomic number and electronic configuration. Okay, see the table. Here atoms are given. Okay, then their symbols are also given. And electron number in an atom, it is also called as the atomic number, represented by Z. Then distribution of electrons, it is actually shell wise distribution. We also see the maximum cell capacities of shell K2, L8, M18 and N32. This is the maximum capacities of the element shells. Okay, say electronic configuration. This, yes, shell wise distribution we collectively write as a electronic configuration. Let's say hydrogen, its symbol is H. Okay, the electrons present in hydrogen is only one, so it is in first shell, that is K, so its electronic configuration is 1. Next, helium, He, electrons present in helium are 2, so it is in K shell. As we see, the K shell's capacity is only 2. Okay, so electronic configuration is 2. As helium's first shell is get fulfilled, so helium is called as the inert gas. Okay, we will see it in detail afterward. Lithium, Li. Okay, its atomic neon, Ne. Okay, the number of electrons present in neon are 10. Okay, so its electronic configuration, see, in first K shell 2 electrons and in L shell there are 8 electrons. Okay, so its electronic configuration become 2, 8. After that, sodium symbol is Na, 2 atoms in the first shell. Okay, and 8 electrons in L shell. As we know, L shells have capacity 8 electrons, so 2 plus 8, 10 electrons, but there are 11 electrons, so remaining 1 electron is in M shell. Okay, so its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. Okay. Magnesium, symbol is Mg. Electrons present in magnesium are 12, so electronic configuration is 2 in the K shell. L have a 8 electrons and remaining 2 electrons in M shell. So electronic configuration becomes 2, 8 and 2. Okay. Chlorine, symbol is Cl. Atomic number is 17. So in K shell 2 electrons, L 8 and M shells 2 7 electrons. Okay, so electronic configuration is 2 8 7. Argon AR 18. Okay, in K shell 2 electrons, L 8 and M it is also 8. Okay, so it's 2 8 8. In last shell M shell it completes its octet. Okay, next potassium K, atomic number is 19. In K shell 2 electrons, L 8 M 8. Now see here the electrons tries to complete its octet. Okay, so actually its electron capacity is 18, but here we are taking 8. Okay, you will learn it in detail in higher studies. Okay, so in M shell 8 electrons and remaining 1 electron in the large shell, that is N. Okay, so electronic configuration becomes 2 8 8 and 1. Next, bromine Br, atomic number is 35. So see its electronic configuration. First, K shell 2 electrons, L 8 and M. In M shell there are 8 electrons. Okay, and N shell 7 electrons. So electronic configuration of bromine is 2 8 8 and 7. Okay, the electronic configuration of an atom can be represented by a shell diagram. Okay, it is shown in figure. See the diagram. In hydrogen there is only one electron and it is represented in the K shell. Okay, helium have two electrons, so it is in K shell. And carbon have 6 electrons, 2 electrons in first shell and remaining 4 electrons in the second shell, that is L shell. In sodium atom there are 11 electrons. Okay, so 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electrons in the L shell and 1 electron is remains, but L shell fulfills its capacity, so 1 electron is in M shell. Chlorine atom, there are 17 electrons. Let's see its schematic. Okay, 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell and remaining 7 electrons in the M shell. Okay. While drawing skeleton of electronic configuration, always remember write down the electronic configuration below the diagram.